Morning, it's March 4th, looking down the stairwell again. Yeah, more chaos. Lantern is shining bright with its little snow cap. This is what we're up against. Good luck with that. Alright, so it's time to get rid of the chaos in the stairwell. So I'm gonna just use my scoop. Keep scooping as much as I can up here in the driveway, and then, take the snowblower and blow it out forward. This pile, which the plan is to shoot out with that, and that's the result of scooping out this so far, my progress. Let's go. We're making good progress with the old plan here. Swinging around to the stairwell. Well, we've gone pretty far. I think what I'm going to do next is avalanche that thing down the stairwell. All right, it's 8:20 a.m. on day 5 of the blizzard, and I'm ready to do the avalanche experiment. So here we go. Yeah, perfect shot. Wow, I got another one straight in there, another snowball right into the snow shovel. Let's see if we can go 3 for 3. All right. Well, at least we got in the right direction. Well, you look at that, a scary snow monster has formed on my snow fence. Uh-oh. We're going to have to do something about that. Yeah. Haha. Decapitation. Would you look at that? There's a stairwell under all that snow. I can't even remember it was that wide. That's really nice. Yeah, that's about my 4th round of blowing it out. Well, there are signs of life out here. A welcome one. County snowblower. Going the other way. That means Cascade Road is going to be open for traffic.